Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have in one washing machine for the repair. It is brand wise LG 7 kg direct drive motor. It's having problem with the it's not getting power switching. We cannot open the machine. That's mean it's not getting switching on. Because of that we collected from the customer house to our workshop. And now we have to check properly. This customer it's very hurry to use the machine. Anyway, we have to hand over today itself. Now we are going to check what is the problem. We will give the power connection and we will check again what is the problem exactly. Connection here, and we will start the machine again. This power, we cannot on the machine, it's totally dead. What we can do first, we have to check properly. First of all, we have to check the power connection here. It is 230 power available or not, and after that only we can check here. It is already, I know it is 230 power. After that we have to check the fuse. We have to check the fuse first. And first we have to check the power connection from the wall or socket. It is whether available 230. It's already 230 power is here. And also I'm going to check now fuse. Yes, fuse also okay. Now what we can do, we have to check the harness. This one continuity we have to check the first. After that we have to check the continuity here. The power is any damage or. Now I have to remove the back cover, 2 screws. And after that we have to remove this one. We will check here, lock we have to pull out properly, and we will check the power continuity with the harness, the wire. And now we have to check this wire and this one. Yeah, it's okay, wire, no problem. And also live wire. Yeah, both wires are okay, no problem. And after that we have to check this power filter. We have to remove this one, and we will take it out like this. And this way we can take it out. And now we have to check this one, if any short or this fuse. Unfortunately this fuse gone, that machine not getting start. Now we have to check the fuse. Yes, this fuse not working. It is already gone. because of that only this machine not getting power on. We cannot switch on. Because of that we will check this one, we will replace this one, and we can no need to replace also, we can solder with one wire here to here, and after that also we can check. But anyway, I have to check whether available or not in my workshop, and I will check another one. This is old one, this is new one. And the power, everything okay. This one only the part number only difference. This one part number EAM 60991 301, but this one 309, but it is doesn't matter, no problem. We can replace this one. We will check the fuse. Yeah, this fuse is okay. This is very easy job if you have in the parts. Otherwise we can resoldering also, we can replace this fuse also, but nothing to worry, I have in parts. Because of that I am replacing this one. And again we will connect this one, and we will connect like this temporary, and we have to check whether it's working or not. I am giving power again, and we will start the machine. We will try. Yeah, done. The problem with that power filter only. Now we can select, I'm selecting dry option, direct dry. Yeah, door lock. Yes, machine start already. Job done already. We have to refix, and we can hand over to the customer. And thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video again. The machine is okay, running well. Now we have to refix the power filter here. Now we can hand over to the customer. Our job done already. Thanks for watching again.